This is DeWayn Marzagalli. I've been teaching at OLLI since 2011. I'd like to introduce you to the part 2 of our workshop devoted exclusively to the great film director, John Ford. Part 2 will be mostly films he did in the 1940s, and most of which were some of his best Westerns ever. My Darling Clementine, the famous Cavalry Trilogy, Fort Apache, She Wore Yellow Ribbon, and Rio Grande. In addition to Wagon Master, Three Bad Men, and a few surprises. Please, why don't you consider joining me for my one-day workshop devoted to the films of our great Portland, Maine director, John Ford. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
We here at OLLI are very excited to offer our Spring 2022 session with a mix of in-person and remote courses and workshops. Registration for spring opens the morning of February 9th at midnight. If you have any questions about this class or want help with registration, please give us a call at 207-780-4406 or email us at olliatusm@maine.edu. We hope to see you this spring.